So, a few days ago, we made a fiberglass sheet and closed up these holes, and now we gotta fill them in. So I'm gonna start by making a template, cutting glass, and then we'll get filling. So this template fits pretty good, so I'm going to start cutting glass. Okay, got all my glass cut. Got 5 layers for each side. Got 3 layers of chalk mat and 2 layers of woven. And I'm going to go alternating chalk mat, woven, chalk mat, woven, chalk mat. And we should be good to go. So I'm just going to scuff up these edges, a little bit of sandpaper, and then we'll get started. That did not go according to plan. That sucks. Okay, I got 4 layers of glass on now, and I think we only like halfway thick, as thick as we need to get. And it also kind of looks bad, so, and the resin setup on me wasn't moving fast enough, so I'm gonna see if I could find a way to have this face horizontal and finish up this job properly, because it's not going well right now. Well, probably should have did it this way from the start, because this angle is much better than vertical. Would have been a lot easier to work with it. Would have been able to work a lot faster too. But so be it. Learn from your mistakes. Gotta let this set up and then try and fix it. I'm not happy with that at all. Alright, this is our second attempt at replacing the core on this small section here. Our first attempt, we brought it all the way to the edge, but we had some delamination. I think the wood wasn't wet out, so it sucked up a lot of the resin, and we ended up having a dry bond, so we delaminated. But that should be taken care of now, and also we are not taking it all the way to the edge this time. We're going to have the fiberglass edge and then a small core right at the end. So that's the change that we're going to make, and hopefully that works out better. It's on now. It's not pretty again. I really don't like this woven cloth. It's very difficult to work with. It doesn't want to lay down no matter how you put it. If it ain't flat, it don't lay down. So here we are. Gonna have to put some gel coat over this and trim it, and yeah, I guess it is what it is. Okay, so here we went ahead and applied some gel coat to the first attempt at filling these old access ways to the storage compartment, so we could go ahead and sand it. And we also beveled the edges, which is what Tiny should have done in the first place, so the glass could lay in there a lot smoother. So here, again prepared for try number 2. Got this little bit of fair and filler. I'm gonna mix this up with some resin and attempt to fair out these 2 repairs that we just did. So I hope this goes well. We in business now. laminating is business. Alright, so we got the fan compound on. It's not the best application, but hopefully it comes out nice and smooth once we sand it.